Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is one of the activities that can help us stay connected to nature. Given our hectic and urban lifestyles, we have great joy when we do gardening because we have can see the shrubs and flowers develop from their tender stage until they fully shoot and flourish into their green life. This truly makes us aware of how short life on earth is for all living things. Gardening keep our daily lives fresh. Watering, caring for plants, and cleaning the plants make us feel calm and refreshed. Um, Gardening is also a um, the benefit of all families, and growing, developing, and planting and caring and for new plants for all part of our gardening. In the other way, the existence of plant is vital for all living beings, especially human, to survive. Without plants, none of our essential body and process include breathing, eating, and drinking would be possible. In addition to serving as food sources, plants produce oxygen and support the water table. While many plants thrive in the wild, some plants, bushes, and shrubs are also cultivated and grown by humans in their homes or yards. It is referred to as gardening. While gardening may seem like a hobby to some, it is beneficial and significant to us. It entails physical labor on the part of the gardener to perform tasks like weeding, watering plants, mulching, trellising, and harvesting. Additional gardening is a beneficial pastime. The activity enable to you to cultivate your own fruits and vegetables. Working in the garden also improve problem solving abilities, researching the most effective gardening techniques, testing various approaches, and creating irrigation systems that work for all develops your creative and problem solving skills.